Hey, and welcome back to my 12th part of my Billy Hatcher and the Giant Egg Any Percent tutorial. This one's going to be a bit differently formatted because of the difficulty of this level. It's quite hard to get it in sort of one take, so I'm just going to do this in 3 parts, which will be, first video will be the quick run through of Sand 2 to get an idea of what it looks like. The second video will be the detailed breakdown of the level itself, and then the third part will be both the fast and the detailed part of the boss fight itself. So first, without further ado, I'm going to go into this level and I'll talk about it as I go along, because I don't need to really concentrate. So this level is one of the hardest in the game. Maybe it is the hardest, it depends on what you value as being difficult. To me this is the most difficult. But it doesn't mean it's impossible, it doesn't mean it's nail-bitingly hard, it's just you know, it's where your runs will most likely die if you're like prone to resetting a lot. So this level has 2 quite difficult tech to perform, one called a torch jump and one called a fog room skip. The torch jump being a very frightening trick for beginners, and also one that is kind of mandatory for any percent, because doing the skip saves a lot of time. It skips this entire quicksand room section over here. But there's a lot that can go wrong with that trick, which I'll explain in the more detailed breakdown in the next video. But as you can see, we saved quite a lot of time because we got over there. It's actually a beautiful run so far. Oh yeah. That's a bit unpredictable itself. This jump seems scary, but it's actually not. And then we're coming up to the fog room, which is probably, as a casual, you might remember this level sucks because of this room. And you'd be right, this room sucks ass, even as a speedrunner. For the more detailed breakdown, I will explain more in detail on this coming trick. This is the fog room skip. It's similar to that of the out of bounds skip in Circus 2 and that of the Giant Palace skip. But also, this one ain't mandatory for beginners. You could just go the normal route if you feel more comfortable doing so. But just know that this option is here, and if you want to try it, I won't stop you. So we then go through here, and then we fight Corvo. So I'm going to end the video here, and I'm going to go straight into the more detailed breakdown in the second video. I'll do the outro on the end of the third part. So yeah, see you in the next video.